Okay, so welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Let's try to make a very simple social media flyer. Let's do the finance stuff. So I would like us to replicate this design. Okay, yeah, you can see the design is very cool, so calm, and very catchy and very simple also. So this is what we are going to replicate now. Are you ready? So let's keep going. Let's get going. Yep. So what are we going to do first? We're going to work on the background. So let's change the background to white background. Okay. Yeah. Change the background to white background. Then the next thing to do, let's go and import. Let's import this. Yep. Yeah. It's kind of cool. So let's import it. Oh, I'm gonna add it. Import and position it. Okay. Yeah, so let's try it this way and see. Next thing is to come out to the text and write access. Let's go and change the font. Let's go to font, access. So let's give it this color. So once generate this, tap on this plus icon, tap on this color. Very simple. So okay, so let's do this way. Let's copy this access and tap on Closa. Closer. Increase the size. Change the color to this. Okay, if you want to generate this color, you can see that there's the color is already here. So you just pick the color again. Very simple. So we'll change the font of the Closer. Let's go to font and use the Monstera bold instead of black. Okay, yeah, just like this. Very simple, very cool. Add, add. Okay, access Closer. So let's bring in our grid. This is the grid. Okay, so let's use it to align the text. Very important. Okay, so after I bring out the grid, we tap on this, yeah. So we will try to align the text. Okay, so now you can see this. Okay, so after you tap on this, it will give you the ability of shifting the grid line, okay, to your area of satisfaction. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to use this grid line as my own alignment point. Okay, yeah. So let's tap on the text. Let's use the access first, and I'll shift it a little bit so that it will align with the line. Okay, the edge will be touching the line. That's just the alignment. Very simple. So we'll do the same with the Closer, with the C here apart from the A. Okay, yep. So okay, it might not be perfect. Yep. So the next thing we're going to do is we'll copy the Closer. After copying it, go to text and write agent. Okay, agent. Very simple. Okay, and give it a black color. Change the color to black. Okay, yeah, just like this. Very simple, very simple, very simple. Yeah. Okay, so this is the access Closer agent. The next thing is I'll copy this access and reduce the size, okay. So I'll edit it and access, then below here I'll write closer. This I'll go to color and change the color of the closer to the orange. Okay, so you can see this highlighting point here. So you just drag this one to highlight only the closer and select it. Very simple. Then you move into the line spacing here. This is the line spacing. Then you reduce the line spacing. Okay, very important. So let's reduce the size. I'll prefer we use 35. 35 is okay. So we align it here. What we are going to do is we'll tap on this. Okay, yeah, it will give us the ability to select the text. Then we tap on this. After tapping on it, we select all the text. This agent that acts the closer and the access. Okay, then we tap on this. After tapping on it, then we tap on this again. Okay, yeah, so let's move it up all at the same time. Okay, all at once. That's what we want to do. That's what we're trying to achieve. And we've bring in a shape. Okay, this is a shape. Bring it out, line, change the color of the shape to the green. Then we move it to the first point of the grid line here. Then we position it. Very simple. Then we position it this way. Yeah, okay, so yeah, this is cool. So we'll bring in new text. Okay, we'll bring in new text, and okay, yeah, we write done the your area. Okay, just like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to space it. Okay, so you can see I'll give it like 3 more spacing. 1 2 3, just like this. 1 2 3. Yep, you can see that. 1 2 3, and here we're going to give it like 2 exclamation marks. Yep, 1. Oh God, what's wrong now? 1, yep, and 2. No, 1 and 2, just like this. Okay, so we're going to reduce the size. Yeah, we're going to reduce the size. We're going to reduce the size. Okay, reduce it to 35. Okay, yeah, so we'll change the font. Sorry, we'll change the font to Monstera Medium. Yeah, very important. Okay, so we'll change the color to white. So let's bring it down and position it well. Okay, just like this. Is very cool. It's okay. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is to copy the your area. Copy it just like this. Change the color, change it to this or to this. Yes, edit it and write you fit, just like this. You fit. Okay, so this one is cool. Let's bold it. Okay, go to the B style here, to the star, tap on the star and tap on bold. Okay, yeah, now we've bolded it. It's now bolded. So we move it up a little bit, just like this. Yeah, okay. Let's delete it and bring the copy the then yeah. I think I'll paste the text because I'm copying it here. So this is what we're going to use. Then we change the color to black, color of the text to black. Then we'll go to the bold here and remove the bolding by tapping on this T stroke. Yeah, very simple. Stroke. Okay, we don't have to use stroke here. We just try to position it so that it will look very cool. Okay, so we'll reduce the size. Okay, we'll reduce the size. Then we add the line spacing. Okay, let's add it to 8, somewhere 8. Yeah, just like this. Very cool. Now it's very cool. Oh, sorry. Yeah. This. Then I'm going to paste what is going to be written again. Okay, so this is it. Search for access Closa and maps to see agents behavior. Okay, yeah. So stop. That's all we need. Yeah. So okay, so we're going to go access Closa. So we go to the slide here. After that, shift alignment again to only the starting of the access, and this one too to the starting of the Closa, and you bold it. To bring out change the color of the shape to this color and position it down. Yeah, position it down here, just like this. So the next thing we'll go back to the import this access logo, the access logo. Yep, just like this. So we're going to use the size and position it just like this. So let's try to position it cool. Okay, let's try to position just like this. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So this is cool. The next thing we can go back to the import and import this. So yeah, just like this. Okay, so let's reduce the size. And position it somewhere here. Okay, yep, somewhere here. Alright, so the next thing is another text. So what we're going to write, more than just a banking. Okay, more than just a banking. Okay, with an explanation. So we'll reduce the size. Let's reduce the size to 20. Okay, position it here, change the font color. Okay, so we'll change the color to white, and we'll position it. Yep, let's position it. Okay, just like this. I think Yeah, let's just develop this one. So this is it. This is how to design the flag. If it's somehow cool, right? So yeah, yeah. So that's the ending. Okay. No, we just need one more thing. Okay, we'll go to the import and bring in this. Okay, yep. Bring in this. Use the relative size to fill it. Then we send it to back. Okay, we send it to back. This is to back. Just tap on to back to send it to back. So you can see it is more cool using this background. Okay, so that's it. That's the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to save it.